My husband's walking me, or driving me home. It's just really.
What do you mean? You were driving home.
No, he's driving us home.
You were just driving.
No. I was driving. I was like in the. I was in the passenger seat.
Is there anyone else in that car?
No, yeah.
Yeah, there's no one else in the car.
No, okay.
Pit.
Go out the other side. Hey, go out the other side. Go out the other side.
I pit or something.
No, the circle.
Relax.
Out of
Face the car.
That never hit me in my life.
What happened?
The circle of the car. Like whenever I tried to like.
The circle of the car?
No, like whenever I tried to.
10 15 one time, you can clear the air. Do you realize that you're going the wrong way on the interstate?
On this interstate?
Yeah. Do you see all these lights coming towards us? Look straight ahead.
No, I do.
Right.
Babe, I do.
So you're
going
the wrong way on the interstate.
No.
Yes, you were.
This one?
That's why I wrecked you.
This car?
You, yes.
This car?
You were going the wrong way.
My husband's walking me, or driving me home. It's just really.
What do you mean? You were driving home.
No, he's driving us home.
You were just driving.
No. I was driving. I was like in the. I was in the passenger seat.
Is there anyone else in that car?
No, yeah.
Yeah, there's no one else in the car.
No, okay, maybe not that specific clear, but there was like me and my husband were in one car. We are not in that clearing car. We are all the way down there. He's driving us home. We are like saving at one bar for me to just talk to him, and then we're going to the Spooky Sea, is where we were. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What are we thinking? What do you want to do with me tonight? Be honest.
Let me ask you a question. How many drinks have you had tonight?
I've had two bars that I've been to tonight that I've had a full drink at.
Okay.
Like I had one full drink at my house, and I had 2 drinks at the bar. Yeah.
Okay. So as part of field sobriety, I'd like to check your eyes. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Turn face me. I just don't want the interstate to bother you. So with your feet together and then your hands by your side touching your thighs. You wear glasses or contacts?
I wear glasses, but I don't have them with me right now.
No contacts?
I'm not driving home, so I don't have my glasses with me.
Okay, you have any questions about it? Okay, well if you don't have any questions and you understand the instructions, you can begin whenever you're ready. 6 to 6 foot vertical. Hands by your side. Done? Okay. Here, come like right back over here for me. 682 1015 one time. Okay, so you are being placed under arrest for DUI.